Hi, my name is Tessa and I'm the production coordinator here at TraumaSim. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to put on our TraumaWear with strapping. These items are made to fit either the upper leg, lower leg, or upper arm. We have a range of injuries, including burns, gunshot wounds, lacerations, and open fractures. Today, I'll be demonstrating with a large burn for the upper leg. For the comfort of your role player, apply some talcum powder to the back of your TraumaWear. Place the TraumaWear on your role player, then clip the 3 buckles together and tighten by pulling the straps. Our lower leg and upper arm TraumaWear have a slightly different clipping system. Here we have a lower leg open fracture. The 3rd buckle is a G-ring that you thread through like this. Pull it through and press down the Velcro. The TraumaWear look can be elevated by wearing items underneath ripped or burned clothing and adding some extra blood. Once you're done, simply undo the clips and wash the TraumaWear in warm soapy water, then leave to dry. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information or to book an online demonstration, please visit our website.